Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well. I know we're getting close to summer, and this is such a cool resource that I really wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys click on that link that Mr. Aburto shared, the Marquez Library newsletter, you're gonna find these really helpful links. I know you probably already know about the e-card, the library card, but this is so cool. So right now, you can actually get a free ebook if you guys click on the achieve.lusd.net/a-list book club. And there are 4 books to choose from. So you would watch like the videos, like you have whoever this is, Noah Centennial, Kendall Jenner, and so on and so forth, Russell Westbrook, awesome person, and Alicia Keys. And then you guys can click on the video. I highly recommend The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's the one that Noah is talking about. It's such a cool book. Like I love that book. I would recommend that one. And I also I really want to read Becoming by Michelle Obama, and I was actually trying to get the free copy, and it said I was not allowed. But you guys definitely are allowed, so you guys should take advantage. And you can like listen to their little clips and decide which one you want. So you have to, once you listen to the clip, then at the end of the video, that's where you click, and you have to use your LAUSD sign on, and then you'll be able to download your ebook. So it's such a cool resource. I hope you guys take advantage of it. You have summertime to read. Remember that just because you go on vacations doesn't mean that you should stop learning. So take care. Have a wonderful day.